The expert slingshot for the Tradingview and the NinjaTrader platforms, trading pullbacks and reversals. This old method for measuring pullbacks with fib extensions, fib retracements, and those overlaps, and only happening when we have the stochastic crossover in the oversold or the overbought zone, and we're putting all that. It's just very complicated, and you know, traders have done this for a long time, and it's just very messy on the chart. So using expert technology, we can do that, all that hard work, probability pullback zones, targets, trailing stops, and keep the chart clean. And this is what it looks like. So we have a pullback into our pullback zones, automatically put in there for you. 75, 80 and 85% probability pullback zones, we get a signal. We've got targets, target 1, target 2, target 3, and then we print a trailing stop as well. The clutter has gone. All of that work is done behind the scenes with an algorithm. So we've got three types of buy or sell signals. First is the type 1 signal. So this is when we get a pullback into the pullback zone. Also, we have a point of control where the price action makes the point of control go through and then back up again for a buy, and then we print a type 1 buy. It's the same with a sell. We come back up through the point of control and then we come back out again. It's got to be in the pullback zone, and then we've got a type 1 sell. Type 2 signals are they're less aggressive, so they have very shallow pullbacks. This time we measure a channel. Again, it's an algorithm. The price action has to go in the channel, and then the very next candle has to go back out of the channel. At this point, though, we don't cross that point of control that we do for a type 1. So this is a type 2 buy. The same for a sell. We enter into the channel while it's in the pullback zone, and then we come back out the very next candle. We get a type 2 sell in this case. A type 1 and type 2 signals can be combined because they can happen one after the other. You usually get the type 2 buy, type 2 sell on the left here, type 1 sell, and then we get a really strong move. You see it hits target 1, target 2, target 3, and bounces off target 3. And for the buy, you get this again. Sometimes we get that type 2 buy, then a type 1, and then you see here type 1, target 1, target 2. See how it bounces off target 3 to begin with. One of those fib overlap zones that we talked about on that very complicated chart. Very simple there, and then continues to go. Then we have a type 3 signal. We get trend failures, so we need to be able to trade those. So here we can see we're just hanging around in this pullback zone, and then it breaks. So we get a type 3, we get a trend failure, and it goes this way. And again, the same here. We came off this support zone, we pulled back. You know, in theory, we should be going short here, but there's lots of support down. It actually breaks the pullback zone here. We get a type 3 buy, we get a trend reversal, and that's the move up there. So again, very simple video just to show you the power of the technology for expert software solutions with the slingshot, trading pullbacks and reversals, giving those signals in those pullback zones when it's right to do so, and also looking for those trend failures as well.